Question number 4. A ball with mass m moves horizontally with speed u. Mass m moves horizontally with speed u. The ball hits a vertical wall and rebounds in opposite direction with speed v less than u. It hits here and goes back with a velocity. Okay. The duration of the collision is t. So it stays here in time t. What are the magnitudes of the average force? How do you do average force? Average force is nothing but change in momentum by time taken. So the momentum here should be m into v. Momentum here should be m into u. Okay. So therefore, force should be p final minus p initial divided by time taken, which is capital T here. So what will I do? P final. What is P final? Which should be, if I take this as your positive direction, this should be negative. It should be minus mv. What is this here? Minus mu divided by t. What does the question ask? What are the magnitudes? Which means what? You are going to neglect this negative sign. So thus it should be m into u plus v divided by t. Right? M into u plus v divided by t, which is this. These two are correct. So therefore, these two goes away. Oh, there is one more column here. He is asking about the loss of kinetic energy. So initial kinetic energy is very high, right? Okay, see, because u is much larger. See, v is less than u here. V is less than u. Initial kinetic energy is higher, which should be half mu square. And what is the final kinetic energy? Half mv square, right? And he is asking you what is the loss of kinetic energy. Loss means what? It should be negative. We should subtract one from the other. So if you subtract half mu square minus half mu square, you will get a negative answer here, which represents the loss. So therefore, it should be m into u square minus v square divided by 2. Thus the option A is the right one.